Hello. Welcome back to our English podcast. I am Alex.
And I am Emma. We are very happy to see you again.
Today, we have a big lesson. We are talking about time.
Yes, we talk about things we do every day and things we are doing right now.
Emma, let's talk about your morning. What do you do every day?
Well, every day I wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That is early.
Yes, it is. Then I wash my face and I drink green tea.
Do you eat breakfast?
No, I don't eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I see. I eat a big breakfast every day. I eat eggs and toast.
And do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't work on Saturdays. I play football.
That sounds nice. Listen to our verbs. Wake up, wash, drink, eat, play. These are habits.
Let's look at the grammar. We use present simple for your routine.
It is very simple. I work, you work, we work, they work.
But for he, she, and it, we add an S.
That's right. Listen. I drink tea. She drinks tea. I live in London. He lives in London.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I drink water. She drinks water. They play football. He plays football.
Okay, Alex, that is the routine. But look at us now. What are you doing?
Right now, I am sitting in my chair.
Are you drinking tea now?
No, I am not drinking tea. I am holding my microphone.
And I am looking at you.
Oh, look out the window, Emma. What is that?
A dog is running in the park. It is chasing a ball.
And look at the people. They are walking fast. I think it is raining.
Yes, it is starting to rain. I am closing the window now. This is the present continuous. We use it for things happening at this moment.
To make this, you need two things. Am, is, are, plus the verb with ing.
Let's compare. Habit, I drink coffee every day. Now, I am drinking coffee now.
Try it. Repeat after me. I am speaking English. You are listening. The dog is running. It is raining.
Alex, many students make a mistake. They say, I drinking coffee or I am drink coffee.
Oh yes, that is wrong. You need both. I am drinking.
And remember, some words are only for present simple.
Like the word love or like.
Right. You don't say, I am liking this podcast. You say, I like this podcast.
Because like is a feeling, not an action you are doing with your hands.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
We did. Remember, use simple for every day. Use continuous for right now.
Here is your homework. Look around you. What are you doing? Write it in the comments. For example, I am watching this video.
Or, I am eating an apple. Thank you for being with us. You are doing a great job.
See you in episode 3. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.